12 gadgets that turn your backpack into a tech survival kit. Picture this. You're out in the wild, or maybe just stuck in the middle of nowhere, and your backpack isn't just a bag anymore, it's your lifeline. What if I told you that with the right gear, it could become a tech-packed survival kit ready to tackle anything? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Hi, I'm Alex, and in this video, we're unpacking 12 insane gadgets that'll turn your everyday backpack into a powerhouse of survival tech. From solar chargers that harness the sun to a tiny drone that scouts your path, these are tools you didn't know you needed until now. Trust me, you're gonna want to stick around for this countdown. Oh, and if you love gear that makes life easier or just keeps you alive, smash that subscribe button right now, and let's get into it. Okay, so why bother turning your backpack into a tech survival kit? Simple. Life's unpredictable, and we're all just one dead battery or sketchy puddle away from a total meltdown. Think about it. Whether you're hiking through the mountains, road tripping with no signal, or even caught in a blackout at home, you need to stay powered up, connected, and ready. I mean, we've all been there, right? Your phone's at 1%, you're lost, and the only water around looks like it's plotting against you. That's where these gadgets come in clutch. They're like your personal backup plan in a bag. We're talking tools that charge your gear off sunlight, filter water on the fly, and even keep you online when the world's offline. So, let's not waste another second. Starting with number 12, these are the gadgets that'll have your back no matter where you are. All right, kicking things off at number 12, we've got the SunJack 60 watts folding portable solar panel charger. This bad boy folds up smaller than a laptop but unfolds to soak up the sun and pump out 60 watts of power. Imagine you're miles from civilization, phone's dead, and boom, plug into this and charge up to 3 devices at once. It's rugged, weather-resistant, and perfect for when the grid's just a distant memory. Grab it for around $175 online. Trust me, it's worth every penny when the sun's your only friend. Number 11 takes us airborne with the DJI Neo. This is a palm-sized drone that's basically your personal scout. Lost in the woods? Launch this little guy to scope out the trail ahead or snap some killer footage to prove you survived. It's got a solid camera, easy controls, and fits right in your pack. At about $200, it's a splurge. But when you're mapping your escape route from above, you'll thank me. Coming in at number 10, the LEATHERMAN Signal 19-in-1 multi-tool. This isn't just a tool, it's a survival Swiss Army knife on steroids. Knife, pliers, fire starter, even a whistle for emergencies. It's got 19 functions packed into something smaller than your fist. I've used this to fix gear and spark a fire in a pinch. Runs about $140, and it's a must for anyone who wants to MacGyver their way out of trouble. Number 9 is the JBL Clip 5, a tiny Bluetooth speaker that punches way above its weight. Clip it to your pack, and you've got tunes to keep your spirits up or a loud way to signal for help. It's waterproof, dustproof, and loud enough to hear over a storm. For around $80, this little beast keeps the vibes alive when everything else goes sideways. At number 8, we've got the BLAVOR Solar Charger Power Bank. This is your backup battery with a solar twist, 10,000 mAh of juice, plus a mini solar panel. For emergencies, it's got a built-in flashlight and can charge your phone twice over. Drop $30 on this and you've got a lifeline when outlets are a fairy tale. I'd have killed for this on my last blackout. Number 7 is the Tile by Vriexsd Mate Bluetooth Tracker. Ever lose your pack in the chaos? Stick this little square inside, sync it to your phone, and you'll track it down within 250 feet. It's sleek, simple, and only about $18. Plus, it doubles as a key finder, because losing stuff mid-adventure is the worst. Number 6 is the ProtoArc Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. This thing folds up tiny but opens into a full keyboard. Pair it with your phone and you've got a mobile workstation. Need to type an SOS email or just kill time in a tent? This has you covered for around $45. It's lightweight and surprisingly satisfying to use. At number 5, the mophie Juice Pack Battery Case. This isn't just a phone case, it's a charger too. Slip your phone in, and it adds hours of battery life while keeping it safe from drops and rain. Around $80, and it's perfect for when your phone's your only link to the world. Sleek, tough, and a total game changer. Number 4 is the GL.iNet GL-MT3000, a pocket-sized Wi-Fi hotspot that laughs at bad cell service. Pop in a SIM or tap into public Wi-Fi, and you're online anywhere. It's fast, secure, and supports multiple devices for about $87. When you're stuck in the middle of nowhere but still need to Google how to survive, this is it. Cracking. The top 3 at number 3, the Headlamp Rechargeable. Strap this on, and you've got bright, hands-free light, perfect for night hikes or digging through your pack in the dark. It's USB rechargeable, adjustable, and costs around $18–20. I've used this in a storm, and it's a literal bright spot in any mess. Number 2 is the Vriexsd 400-piece large first aid kit. This isn't your grandma's Band-Aid box, 400 pieces, from bandages to trauma shears, all packed into a tough, portable case. At around $35, it's got everything to patch you up when the adventure gets bloody. You're basically a walking ER with this. And the grand champ at number 1, the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. This straw filters out 99.9% of bacteria from any sketchy water source. Sip straight from a stream and it's clean enough to drink, up to 1,000 gallons of it. For just $17, this is the ultimate survival, most valuable player. I'd take this to the apocalypse and back. Alright, we've seen 12 incredible gadgets, but let's zoom in on the top 3 that absolutely stole the show. These are the ones I'd never leave home without. Lightweight, affordable, and honestly, they could save your bacon. Starting with number 3, the Headlamp Rechargeable. This little powerhouse straps on and lights up your world. Hands-free, rechargeable, and bright enough to cut through a pitch-black night. At $18–20, it's a no-brainer for any adventure gone dark. Then, at number 2, the Vriexsd 400-piece large first aid kit. This isn't just a first aid kit, it's a portable emergency room with 400 pieces to handle cuts, scrapes, or worse. For $35, it's peace of mind in a bag. And the king at number 1, the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Sip clean water from any sketchy source. $17 gets you a literal lifesaver that filters thousands of gallons. I'd stake my desert island survival on this thing, no question. These 3, they're the most valuable player of turning your backpack into a survival beast. So there you have it. With these 12 gadgets, your backpack's not just a bag anymore, it's ready for the apocalypse, a weekend hike, or just a really bad day. We've got solar power, drones, water filters, the works. Honestly, my personal fave has to be the SunJack 60-watt solar charger at number 12. Being able to charge my gear with nothing but sunlight? That's freedom right there. I've lost count of how many times it's bailed me out. But I want to know, what's your must-have from this list? Drop it in the comments below, hit that like button if you're packing any of these, and subscribe for more gear that makes life epic. Oh, and next time, we're transforming something else with gadgets you'll wish you'd known about sooner. Stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.